Are you in love with the spiritual world? Well, you better be. Hi, I'm Kyree Anthony, author and astrologer, and this is your Astrology Minutes.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with this sweet love we found?
Today we're going to be talking about the Sun Conjunct Venus. The sun is the planet of expression. Look at everything around us. It's all because of the sun. And then we're going to be talking about Venus, the planet of love. You could be in a beautiful place, but if you don't love it, what's the point of being in a beautiful place? So Venus is going to attach the meaning to whatever it is that you're going through. And let me tell you, meaning is very important. So we can look at the sun as a creator, and we can look at Venus as love. So the concept that we're going to be talking about in this video is love creation, creating things that you love. This is the opportunity of the day if you take advantage of the energy. So let's think about it. Venus is ruled by Taurus, or better yet, exalted in Taurus. When we look at Taurus in medical astrology, Taurus rules the throat. When we think about the throat, we're also talking about our nose and our ears, because our throat, nose, and ears are all interconnected. It's basically the same thing. So let's clearly define what spirit is. Spirit is the breath. The breath is love. The breath, spirit, love is what's actually in control. Even if you don't believe that, take all of the breath out of your body, then what are you left with? Nothing. So when you talk about this energy, stop fixating and focusing on what you don't have and focus on what you absolutely have. Everybody that's watching this video has this one thing. And this is the reason that we all need to fixate and focus on love. Focus on the breath. We all have the breath. If you're watching this video, you have the breath. The wisdom of the Sun Conjunct Venus and Taurus is that you need to listen to spirit. You have to love the breath and express that love to the world. Make that be your job today, and you won't have nothing else to worry about. Hey guys, my name is Kyree. I'm an author, an astrologer, and this has just been your Astrology Minutes.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with this sweet love we found?